set it free. All this happens in the middle of things in the spatial rhythm of the refrain. When I wrote about riso vocality, I put emphasis on how we listen. How will you listen? Is it possible to listen with no expectations, no resolution? Music that is improvisational assembles pieces of melodies, pieces of refrains, deterritorializing them and taking them onto lines of flight, to new territories without prediction. How will you listen? You may hear chaos, but if we remember that chaos for Deleuze is like a dislocation, a disorientation. As a listener, you may seek a metered refrain, a rhythm, a recognizable repetition that stays the same. Will this repetition bring you comfort? For improvisational musicians, metered rhythm is like Deleuzian chaos because it's not necessarily where they want to be. It's not where they want to stay. It's not the place of creation. The improvisational musicians deterritorialize that refrain. They set it free. They create difference. They take us to new territories. They keep the refrain in its molecular form so that it is always becoming. So how will you listen? What happens when we listen not for metered repetition, but for refrains that are lines of flight, for difference, and for becomings? And ultimately, the question is, how is all of this a form of inquiry? Here they are.